Jay here with Molly this morning. How was she, Jay?
She's getting there now, she's chewing up and that.
Good. She certainly looks looking fitter. Every time I take a video of her, she's looking fitter. On track for a bumper run before the end of this national hunt season. Looking forward to getting her out for a racecourse gallop, hopefully in a few weeks' time. She'll do a few strong pieces of work here first. It's a really wet day here today, but obviously everyone's out. He's got his waterproof stuff, but he's looking well. I've got the rest of the string here. Some lovely young horses on this group. There's ladies present. We've got Iconic Bell there. Two chestnuts together. Have a little look, we've got another unraced horse here to compare her to. Topville Bobby. Barley Breeze, another unraced. This is Little India.